Thank you for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you get notified when we create more content. In this screencast, we're going to learn how to download and install Data Loader. Data Loader is a client application for the bulk import of data or export of data. You can use this application to insert, update, delete, or export a large amount of records. This tool is available in Windows or Mac. In this screencast, I'll be installing it in Windows, but it's the same process in a Mac. Usually, a system administrator would be installing this application and would have full permissions. If not, then the user's profile must have API enabled and Bulk API hard delete, only if you configure Data Loader to use Bulk API to hard delete records. This is a new process in which you have to install Zulu Open JDK version 11 or higher for Windows. There is also a file available for a Mac on the same website. Scroll down the page and locate the latest version of Zulu that is compatible with Windows, and save it to your desktop. Double-click on the Zulu file to start the installation process. Just follow the prompt boxes and click the Continue button. You'll get a confirmation dialog box when it's done. Once you have installed the Zulu Open JDK file on either your Mac or Windows machine, go to your Salesforce org, enter the text Data Loader in the Quick Find search box. Click on the Data Loader link. Click Download Data Loader for Windows or Mac, depending on which machine you have. Go to the folder where the file was saved, right-click the .zip file, and select Open. A new folder will be created, such as Data Loader _Mac for Macs or Data Loader _Windows for Windows. In the Data Loader folder, double-click the installer.command file. If you can't open the file because of an unidentified developer message, press the Control key while clicking the installer.command file and select Open from the menu. If that does not work, then you will need to allow the app under Security and Privacy settings, or contact your IT department for assistance. A command box will open. Specify where to install Data Loader, or just hit Enter. Specify whether to add a Data Loader launch icon to your desktop or Applications folder by typing Yes or No. Specify whether to create a link to launch Data Loader from your Applications director by typing Yes or No. Data Loader completes the installation, and now you're ready to insert, update, delete records, and more. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.